Here I've got Nokia XR20, and let me show you how to use Google Maps offline. So first of all, you need to reach Google Maps. In my case, it's right here. Then tap on your account icon and select offline maps. And now just select your own map. So just click here and then pick the particular map that you would like to download. We can pick, for example, Rome area. So, for example, this one. Let me zoom it in, and now tap on download. Now just give it a couple of seconds until it's fully downloaded. And now let me switch my Wi-Fi off. And as you can see, you can use Google Maps offline, just pick maps. Let's go back, then tap on your own offline maps and just mark the one that you would like to have. Or you can pick home, and here it is. So now you can smoothly use it. You can also download it. It will be downloaded via Wi-Fi. And that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.